was just a great show steer and what we hope for judges look for. We're going to do good.
Young folks here at the Wayne County Fair. Come see us tonight, gang. Outlaw. Adkins tomorrow night, and then Sunday night, Demolition. Go to
Local news wherever you are. The Norfolk Daily News app has great new features. It's customizable and can even read to you. Download the updated free app today and stay informed about news, sports, government, community, breaking news, and more. Search Daily News in the App Store or Apple Store. Norfolk Daily News, keeping you informed on the go with things that you need to know, all at your fingertips.
The sound every driver hates. The good news is Solutions can handle your rock chip repair, windshield repair, recalibration, glass work on cars, semis, equipment, you name it, they do it. You can come to them, they'll even come to you with free mobile service within 100 miles of Norfolk. Skip this grass. Call Dan's Auto Glass Solutions today. 402-750-9077. At 2303 West Michigan Avenue in Norfolk.
This is Dan with Dan's Auto Glass. Our passion to help people. To the phone.
Lammers Trailer Repair, they fix it. Lammers Trailer Repair, yes they can.
Flatbed?
Yep.
Great.
News. Oh yeah.
It's time to get the trailer repaired now.
Sure?
Yep.
Working together in their 10-bay shop is how. Lammers Trailer Repair. Repairing all types of trailers. North Highway 81 in Norfolk.
They can fix it.
Or lammerstrailer.com.
Yes, they can.
News headlines from 97.5 KEXL brought to you by Flooring Solutions.
Nothing is a bigger expression of your originality than your home. Stop into Flooring Solutions and see Cortec, the original 100% waterproof, kid-proof, pet-proof floor. These floors are beautiful in any space, easy to install, easy to live with, and easy to love. For a worry-free floor that will look beautiful in any room of your home, shop Flooring Solutions, west of Faith Regional in Norfolk.
Quality every step of the way. Flooring Solutions.
From the WKAG in Norfolk Newsroom, I'm Bill Safer. A handful of Nebraska mayors, including Norfolk Shane Clausen, with Governor Jim Pillen Tuesday to announce the 28 picks for tax incentive eligible opportunity zones. Congress established the program through the Tax Cuts and Job Act of 2019. Its purpose was to promote investment and drive growth in incentives. Among the 28 areas chosen was Census 607, Nebraska, with borders of Highway 81 on the west.
Every night I run a needle through walking the floor. I'm gonna spend the night like every night before. Playing E.T., I'm gonna play him some more. I gotta have a shot of them old troubadours. Set 'em up, Joe, and play walking the floor. Set 'em up, Joe, and play walking the floor. I said, set 'em up, Joe, and play walking the floor. Set 'em up, Joe, and play walking the floor.
Set them up, Joe. Vern Gosman this afternoon. I'm Rick Sheffield.
Where he worked out from Cheyenne here, so that's
wow.
For us. That was a huge one.
Adkins is scheduled at 9:30 with Tegan Nissen performing at 8 p.m. That's news from the WJAG and Norfolk Daily News Newsroom. I'm Bill Seifert. For these stories and more, go to WJAG.com.
97.5 KEXL weather.
Here's the forecast for Northeast. A heat advisory begins at mainly clear, 68. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Daytime highs approaching 100. Fog early tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. From the Weatherology Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Jennifer Vujicic, 97.5 KE.
And this update brought to you by 70, relative humidity 86%. It's cloudy and 74. On your radio, it's Maroon 5 on 97.5 KEXL.